And guys, welcome on this channel. We really appreciate everything that you're doing for us, and also I'm also happy to have you once again on my channel. You see, anytime I'll meet you, I'll have an encounter with you. You have an encounter with me on my videos. You see, I come out with a genuine great things that's so powerful. And today I'm coming out with something that Africa, Ghana is fighting with now. They are most serious and important fighting against that thing. It's all about galamsey. And you know one thing, this galamsey issue versus Ghana issue is it has turned to galamsey versus cocoa. Why am I saying that? Because any place that they are doing this gara things there, that the same place it produce a lot of cocoa. I am in one of the village where they produce a lot of cocoa. At the same time, Galamsey is that place. I will show you some videos about how this thing is popping up in that place and how they are finding themselves in a serious and a difficult situation to fight against this Galamsey. You see, the reason why I always say is this generation is finding itself in a difficult situation is that we always see that we are the 21st century people that we think of doing something more to help the coming generation, but we don't know that we are harming that generation or we are putting some burden on them. You see, this kind of community is a cool community, and it is a great and a powerful community that produce a lot of cocoa. In their community, they are also having the Galamsey people. They are also fighting against these cocoa people. You see, they will uproot and destroy the waters in that community, whereby these people will not get water to drink, and at the same time they will find themselves in a situation whereby you will see they will find it difficult to even plant their cocoa. You see, I am begging everyone and urging everyone here who is watching now to share this video and share it to other people. For what I am showing in this video is so important, and it is still going on now. It means they have not stopped in this place. They have not stopped in this. It is around Kumasi or Two Force land. Under or Two Force land. Or on the Two Force land, that's when this thing is going on. And it's so important. It's so mind clearing. When I get there, I just visit there myself. I will show you some videos while I am in the place. And you see how this thing is going up there. You see how this thing, they are trying to do things to help themselves to make things out of this place, but still they are also there. Today, I think today is today is on 6 October 2022. The government is still serious fighting against this Galamsey, and they are serious in there also doing the gara. They are polluting the land to a certain level that you will find yourself in a community where a time to come you will not find any water to drink. Cocoa will not come again. All because where any place we are having cocoa now is a place where they are doing the gara. I'll show you a lot of videos about that. But kindly subscribe to this channel, like it, comment, and share. Please turn on the notification bell. Anytime we will drop a new video, you will get it very soon. God bless you for still being with me. I love you.